Hello children, welcome you all. I hope you all fine, isn't it? Everyone wash your hands often, use mask, use sanitizer children. Okay? In math subject, we have finished 3 lessons, isn't it? In today's, we are going to see the 4th lesson. Everyone take your studio, companion, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you children. Keep the water bottle with you. Clear? See, I will give a clue for the lesson name. You have to guess the lesson name. See here, I have drawn balls. Count how many balls? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls I have drawn. Now, I am going to take 1 ball from 3. I am going to take 1 ball. Now how many balls are there? 1, 2. What I am doing here? I am taking away 1 ball. I am taking away 1 ball. See, our lesson name is taking away. Our lesson name is 4th lesson, taking away. Everyone take your studio. Take page number 57 children. Everyone take page number 57 in your studio. See here, our lesson name is taking away. Everyone say along with me. Taking away. First 4.1 activity, PEP activity we are going to see now. There are 6 stones. The crow drops 2 stones into the pot. See here, there are how many stones? 6 stones. How many stones children? 6 stones. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stones totally. The crow drops 2 stones into the pot. How many stones the crow drop? 2 stones. Strike it out 2 children. 1, 2. 2 stones, you strike it out, take it away. See here, strike out the stones that have been dropped into the pot. 2 stones crow have dropped, no, that's why I have strike it out. Strike it out 2. How many stones remain on the ground? How many stones remain on the ground? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stones? 4. Everyone write in this dash 4. When we take away 2 stones from the 6 stones, there are 4 stones remaining. See, totally 6 stones are there. I have taken away 2 stones. Remaining how many stones? 4 stones. Clear children? Super. See the last line. Taking away is known as subtraction. Everyone take your pencil. Underline this sentence. Taking away is known as subtraction. This is new word for you children. Subtraction is a new word for you. Spell along with me. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Say once again. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Taking away is known as what children? Subtraction. Yeah, superb. Now take next page. Next page, 4.2 activity. Activity number 4.2. A hotel has 7 rooms. A hotel has 7 rooms. The manager gives away 2 room keys. The manager gives away 2 room keys. Count the remaining keys in the key holder. See, there are 7 keys in first. Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 keys in the hotel. The manager give away 2 room keys. See here, 2 room keys left over. No, the manager give away 2 room keys. Remaining how many keys? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining how many keys, children? 5 keys. When 2 keys are taken away from 7 keys, there are 5 keys remaining. See here, 2 keys we are taken away. And we have count now how many keys are there? 5 keys. So that I am writing here 5. Everyone write in this dash 5 keys remaining. Clear? Okay. See the next activity 4.3 hands-on activity. Make 10 small balls using the clay given by your teacher. Follow the instruction given by your teacher. See here, you want to make a clay balls. 10 clay balls you want to make it out, children. See here, children. I have make a clay balls. Count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have made 10 clay balls. See here, taking away dash from dash gives dash balls. Have you know? Here 10 balls are there. 10 clay balls are there. I have taking away 2 from 10. I have taken away 2 from 10. See here, I have taken away 2 balls. Now count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many clay balls are there? 8 balls. See, from 10 I have taken 2, remaining 8 balls are there. Like this you want to do these 2 one children. I will give the question alone, you want to do from your home. Take away 5 from 7. Note it down. Taking away 5 from 7. You want to write the answer. Next, taking away 3 from 4. You want to write the answer. First one, I itself do it. And the 2 and 3 you want to do by your own with the help of your parents. Clear? See here, when we take away or subtract something from a quantity, it becomes lesser. It is lesser or greater, children, when we subtracting? It is lesser. When we are putting together means it is become greater. In last lesson we have seen. But in this lesson, we are doing taking away. No, taking away means the quantity become lesser. The quantity become lesser. See here next 4.4 activity. Look within activity. You have 20 sweets. You decide to share it with your friend. How many sweets do you want to share? See here you have 10 sweets. Totally 10 sweets you have. You decide to share with your friend. How many sweets do you want to share? I have totally how many sweets you have? 10. Super. Right here 10. I have 10 sweets. Totally you have 20 sweets. I will give my friend, for example, I will give my friend 5 sweets. What is your wish you want to write in this dash? How many sweets you want to give to your friend? I will give my friend 5 sweets. Dash sweets remain with me. See, 10 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sweets. I will give my friend 5 sweets. So I want to take away 5. Strike it out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strike it out 5. Remaining how many sweets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining how many sweets, children? 5. 5 sweets remains with me. See, this is my wish. What is your wish? You want to write here. And then remaining how many sweets you want to write here. Clear? Will you share food with your friends? Will you share your food with your friends? Yes, I will share my food. Why you want to share your food? It is a good habit, isn't it? It is a very good habit. You want to share your food with your friends means it is a very good habit. You want to write here, it is a good habit. Otherwise, you know the another reason means you can write your own answer in this dash also. No, I will not share my food because why you won't share my food? It is my favorite food. You can write it is my favorite food or else any other else point you can write with your help of your parents. Why you don't share with your food? Take next page, page number 60. There are 10 apples in a basket. The shopkeeper takes 2 apples out of it. There are 10 apples in a basket. The shopkeeper takes 2 apples. The shopkeeper taken away 2 apples. See here, first totally 10 apples are there. Let me count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 apples are there. 1 apple taken away. 1 apple taken away. From 10 we have taken 1 apple. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally how many apples next? 1 apple we have taken away means remaining 9 apples are there. 1 more apple taken away. Because 2 apples we want to take it out, no? First 1 apple I have taken. Next 1 apple. Now count how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples remaining. From 10 apples, we have taken out 2 apples. Means remaining there are 8 apples. Start from 10. Count backwards 2 times. Now 8 is remaining. See here, start from 10. Count backward, children. In backward you want to count. 10 before number 9. 9 before number 8. Two numbers we want to count backwards. To take away 1 number from another, we start counting backwards from the bigger number. From the bigger number. See here, bigger number is 10. From this bigger number, we want to count in backward direction. Clear? Backward direction we want to count for taking away. See here, 4.5 activity. Count backwards to help Rani skip on the rocks. Fill in the numbers on the rocks. 1 has been done for you. See here, Rani is skip on the rocks. We want to count in backward direction. Help Rani. 9 before 8. Super, children. 8 before 7. 7 before 6. 6 before 5 they have given. 5 before number 4. Super, children. 4 before 3 they have given. 3 before number 2. 2 before number is 1. What we are doing here? We are counting in backward direction. What we are doing here? We are counting in backward direction. See, companion 1A is home fun, children. Companion 1A is home fun. Everyone take your companion book. Companion book, page number 19. 4A is the home fun for you. I am going to explain how we want to do this home fun. Answer the following questions. A question. 5 fishes live in a lake. A bird takes 1 fish away. How many are remaining? See here, totally 5 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 fishes in a lake. A bird taken away 1 fish. A bird taken away 1 fish means you want to strike it out only 1 fish. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remaining how many fishes in the lake? 4 fishes. Taking away 1 from how many fishes are there in total? 5 fishes. Then gives how many fishes? 4. See, total number you want to write after from. After from only you want to write a total number of fish. 5 fishes are there. From 5 I have taken away 1 fish. The remaining fishes is 4 fishes. Like this you want to do the B sum and next page C sum is there. Clear children? I hope you all enjoy today's session. Let me meet in next session children. Take care. Bye.